Hi, my name is Taylor with TenantCloud, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your account verified. Let's get started. First, you need to know the importance and benefits of having your account verified. Verifying your identity helps other users know that it is safe to interact with you and send you money. TenantCloud has gone the extra mile to protect all users by allowing you to verify yourself. It only takes a one-time $1.99 fee and a few minutes to get you fully verified. Please note that you can still use TenantCloud without verifying your account, but you can only set up TC payments powered by Dwolla when you are verified. To find the Trust and Verification Center, click the Settings gear in the top right corner. From here, click on Trust and Verification. Press Get Verified to get started. The first step is the ID verification. It is important to provide a clear picture of you holding your ID. If the picture is too blurry or the wording on your ID can't be read, the verification will be declined. Don't worry too much if you get declined. You can always send in another picture and try again. Next is the credit card verification. Make sure your billing address matches the address associated with your card. Please note, this is the card that will be charged the one-time verification fee of $1.99. The third step is the phone verification. Your phone number will be displayed in the contact information section when you are setting up your business profile contact information. It is important to know that you must enter a cell phone or landline number only, no VoIP phone numbers. The final step is to connect your social media to your TenantCloud account. Please note that this step is optional. If you do not wish to link your social media accounts to your TC account, you do not need to do so. Once you've completed all the necessary information, double check to make sure all the information is correct and your photo is visible. Click Request Verification at the bottom of the page to submit the request. Once the request is received, it may take up to 48 hours to get fully verified. And that's how easy it is to get verified within TenantCloud. To start managing your maintenance requests and invoices for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.